Ready? Hi there, thanks for joining us. This is Germinate. We're going to teach you how to grow as many vegetables as possible with the limited space that you've got and to enable you to feed your family right up until next March. We're a little bit late in the season, but we've only just managed to secure a plot. Altogether, we've got about 350 square metres. Here, we've got 100 square metres. We've got another plot. We've got another plot a little bit further down the road. It's all going to be filmed in real time. There's going to be no takes, there's going to be no editing. If you see me stutter, if I say something wrong or make a mistake, you're just going to have to roll with it. So here we are, we've just been given this plot. It's grass. I'm going to show you how to turn it over so you can do this at your lawn, on your lawn at home. And there's nothing stopping you. All you need at this stage is a spade. We're in a bit of a rush because we've got to get the onions, parsnips and potatoes in. We'll explain all of that as they're going in, but first off we've got to turn the ground over. In theory, you're basically ploughing. So if you've got a piece of ground like this that's grass or a bit weedy, you've got to turn it over and get the weeds and the grass upside down so it'll rot down. If you see a farmer ploughing in his field, this is basically what you're doing. So I'm going to show you how to do that now, okay? If you can see, I've done a square metre here. I've marked out a metre bed. I've done my metre beds so I can get to each of them, each side of it, from each path. There will be a path here about a foot wide. So here we go. I've already done this one I did earlier. You go down about a spit, which is a spade's depth, for about a metre, which is probably about 5 spades wide, particularly with this spade. Edge round. Obviously some soils are going to be harder than others. If you're in London and you've got clay, you probably have a bit of a problem doing this. But most of you have been given a garden with your houses and you'll probably find it quite easy. So there's the first clod. Turn that over and expose the trench. And again. Some of you might want to just roll this clod straight over, but for ease, I'm cutting it into 2. And here we go. There you go. Turned over into the space. Nice and tight. Don't let any of the grass roots or weed roots expose. And I think you're getting the picture now. Again. It turns out it's 4 spades wide. So you have to do this 4 times and you've done a square metre. That's enough to grow about 30 leeks. Now you only go down a maximum of about 8 inches because that's all the fertility there is in the soil. Any lower than that, you're coming in what's called the subsoil and there's no fertility there. So again, back to my line. Over we go. Make sure we've got enough space to bring in the initial clod. Might just want to press them down a little bit. And there we have it. Keep going and you'll have a bed within about 30 minutes. That's it for today.